Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today we are going to teach you class 5 of Ternary Improvisations. Let's start with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Again, 5, 6, 7, go! Our improvisation beats are tone, bass, bass, tone, bass, bass, tone, bass, bass, tone, bass, bass. Like this. 5, 6, 7, go! Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Now let's play together with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! 5, 6, 7, go! Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! 5, 6, 7, go! This is the end of our basic exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that the next time you will see our new videos. And please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye.